Okay, question 14, we've got a nice easy question here. We're going to find which sets each number is contained in. So all of these numbers in grade 9 we know are all real numbers. So we can put an X for each category. We know that they are all real numbers. The only tricky thing here is that some of these numbers can be simplified. For example, this here, it looks like a rational number, but actually we can simplify it so that it is natural. So this one here is equal to 4. Another one here, we see question 11, that's 5 divided by 5, which is equal to 1. So this one's also actually natural as well. And as soon as it's a natural number, well, you know straight away it's got to be an integer. Same here. So this is a natural number, it has to be an integer. And as soon as you know both of those things, you know it has to be rational too. For -7, we know that the smallest set is the integer, which means that it's also a rational number. 3 pi, now we know pi is irrational, so the whole number is going to be irrational. 0 we count as a natural number in our grade 9 curriculum. 12.3, now decimals, when they terminate, we know we can write them as a rational number. So this here is going to be 12 and 3/10, like this. So can't write it as a whole number, so it can't be an integer either, but it can be a rational number. Here's another one that can be simplified. We know the square root of 4. Don't be fooled by the root symbol. There are some numbers that simplify to rational numbers. So you'd be tempted to put in a cross in the irrational, but don't, because it's natural, therefore an integer, therefore rational. Now here, the thing is we've got 9, don't be fooled in the square root here. Pi, when we see pi, we know straight away that it's going to be irrational. This can be simplified, but not to a natural number, but definitely a rational number. What rational number is it? Well, multiply 2 by 4, and we get 8 plus 1, 9 over 4. So there's our rational number. 3 root 2. So root 2 is a very common irrational number. And we know, of course, if it's irrational, it can't be rational or integers or natural. And here we can see another terminating decimal, so we can see that this is rational. Which rational number? Well, it's -5 and 2/10. So again, using our rule for mixed numerals, 5 is 50 over 10, so -52 over 10 for you playing at home.